I actually glitched the whole map. Oh, what is that? I don't know where I'm at, man. I don't know where I'm at. I'm in this place. This is like the tree of Skibidi Toilet. Like the... Oh! If I let go, I die. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I'm there. Yeah. I want to hold you. Yo, Jason, I'm like glitched in the map. I don't know how to get my way back. I got too much good stuff on me to die. Guys, this is coming from a hacker. I just find a way to actually glitch the map. I am in the billioness that nobody can get to. I am the only person that can get to this place. If you want me to show you how, give me loot. I'm making my way back right now. So if you want me to show you how to get here, give me loot now. Alright, I just had to prepare the location just to give me loot so I can take them to this place. If you want to come to the secret area where nobody has been before except for me, because I'm the only person who knows about this, it's a new secret map too. If you want to come here, just bring out some loot. I'll take you here. But you're going to need 2 grapplers. 4 grapplers. You're going to need 4 grapplers. Because I am going to need grapplers because I just died. But please find some loot, or if you have some loot, please get it, and then give it to me, because I'm on my way right now. Now, I should take the
Bro, the other guy, where you at, bro? Like, you're taking forever. Like, I'm not gonna lie, you're taking forever.
You're talking about me, huh?
Who the fuck is this kid?
Little bro, you're not that guy. You can't even see where I'm at.
You think your goals playing all those words, don't?
Yo, just here. Bro, you need to join the code because you need to snipe me down. Like, I'm all the way, I'm on top of the barrier. That's how I glitched it real bad. Like, if you use a grappler and, like, touch the barrier, I'm gonna be on top of it. Oh, yeah, I'm discovering all the new maps. Out. Well, I think this is where the office place is. But it's not, like, it's probably inside this building. It's not. I need somebody to save me. And not Snake.
Oh shit, I'm not gonna use PvP disabled, dumbass.
What the? Yep, I actually broke it. Guys, I do not know, but I am on top of the freaking boundary. But I can't get out of here. Save me, please. Like, I've been running up here. I went all the way over there, figuring out some, like, new map or something. I'm about to climb up here just to see something. See, like, if anything's up here. Any loot, anything, maybe. Yes. About to jump down. Come on, no! I'm Spider-Man. Spider-Man can actually die. Bruh. How far is this boundary supposed to go? And what are those things? Let's see if I can try to get down there.
Me and the devil.
What is Rob talking about? I can't lose this big grappler. No!
Did you guys leave?
I'm Spider-Man. About to see something else. Oh! Yes! No, finally. I can die. Yes! Yes! I'm alive. I'm alive. You want to see how I basically beat the boundary? Gorgeous. Must be being the boundary. Let's either that or I just in the glitch. See, look, I was on top of this. I was on top of this thing. Windows left, but I was on top of this thing. Whoa! Mayday! Up to holds up the wall. Holds up the oh my god, gumi gumi. So this over here then. Just like this. Oh my gosh! Please don't let my grapplers die. I don't want my grapplers to die because I die. I'm about to hold these fingers. Hello? And yes, my grappler. My Sigma grappler. There is my Sigma grappler. Yes, hanging up with their life. What about this other one? The other one's cooked. I can't even lie to you. He probably chilling on me. Like you can scooch your tooch in the water, but you don't die. Now I just gotta just see if I can like walk over here. Oh yeah, I'm about to see if I can find anything else, like different glitches or anything.